बेंगलुरु के स्टूडेंट एक्टिविस्ट्स का कहना है कि एक तरफ बीजेपी हुकूमत व अपोजिशन के दरमियान नफरत का बाजार बनाम मोहब्बत की दुकान व नफरती कम्युनल एजेंडा व धर्म युद्ध के स्लोगन्स को लेकर मुल्क भर में इलेक्शन कैंपेनिंग चलाई जा रही है, तो दूसरी जानिब स्टूडेंट्स व यूथ डिमांड कर रहे हैं कि इलेक्शंस अवामी मुद्दों पर लड़े जाएं। पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शंस के लिए स्टूडेंट्स रेफरेंडम व यूथ मैनिफेस्टो के साथ तलबा का कहना है कि महंगाई, तालीमी निज़ाम की बेहतरी व अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जैसे मसाइल को लेकर ये इंतखाबात लड़े जाएं।
On behalf of the student community, what we are against is the communal agenda of the BJP. They have devised a plan to divide the students on the basis of religion and caste, and like we saw during the hijab row, how students were divided on the basis of their religion. And so this is not what we as students of India want anymore. We want our government in power to talk about our problems, our education, our employment, guarantee jobs for us, talk about our economy right now, which is being tanked. We need the government in power to talk about what matters to us and not divide us on the basis of religion. Ram Mandir is not what matters to the students' education is. We want our education to be affordable. We want to be able to work after we graduate. We don't want to be doing something entirely different from our degree because we can't get a job in our field because of unemployment crisis in the nation.
For the students, the agenda is very clear. Rejection of NEP, rejection of attempts at commercialization, privatization of our education, rejection of the private-public partnership model that is being peddled out in the name of development of education, access to education for all, and for us to have job opportunities after this education, for our degrees to not just be mere pieces of paper. No hate and communal violence. Communal violence, hate will get us nowhere. We need jobs, we need employment, we need a good education.
So obviously students are angry. Students from marginalized backgrounds, be it the ST students, OBC students or minority students, they're angry that, government funded universities, central universities or state universities are now being ruined. All in all, there is a complete assault on the entire system itself, where it is the fundamental duty of the government to ensure education for everyone. But instead what we see is that the burden is being put on the students. If you have the resources, you please get educated. Otherwise, if your parent is a sanitation worker, you also will have to go do sanitation work tomorrow. If your father is a cobbler, you'll have to go into cobbler jobs only after you, if you're not able to afford education. So in essence, we see that the Varna system is being brought back into fold if you're introducing NEP, FYUP or CUET. So this is the contribution of the 10 years of Modi government that we are seeing, and students and youth are rejecting this. We want education, we want good employment, we want dignity, we want quality education, and the policies of the BJP government is something that is not going to bring us this.
Students बहुत ही डिसअपॉइंटेड है मोदी सरकार के परफॉर्मेंस से, ना उनको प्रॉपर सुविधा मिल रही है एजुकेशन की, हर जगह फी हाइक हो रही है, जिसके चलते उन लोगों को ड्रॉप आउट का भी बढ़ रहा है, ड्रॉप आउट एजुकेशन से। इसके साथ साथ रिजर्वेशन और हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज के भी बहुत ज़्यादा ठीक ठाक पब्लिक फंडिंग नहीं आ रहा है उसमें, तो उससे भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। लास्टली ये बहुत क्लियर कर दिया है यूथ ने कि मोदी सरकार ने जो 2 करोड़ जॉब्स का प्रॉमिस किया था हर साल, वो कुछ भी पूरा नहीं हुआ है। तो यही हाल है हमारे नौजवानों का।
ईटीवी भारत के लिए बेंगलोर से रफीक जब्बार की रिपोर्ट।